Sorry, understood this subject, ma? Problems have అర్థమవుతున్నాయా మీకు? Have any doubt? First 2 units and the third unit is LR parts are somewhat difficult. Means it's not difficult actually. If you understand, it's very easy. Just you have to write the shift and reduce actions and construct the state diagram, that is data flow diagram. అండ్ టీమ్స్ లో పెట్టాను చూడండి, ఫస్ట్ 2 యూనిట్స్ పీపీటీ అండ్ ఒక టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ కూడా పెట్టాను. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి పెట్టాను. వన్స్ చెక్ ఇట్ ఇన్ ప్రీవియస్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్స్ దాంట్లో ఉంటుంది cd.pdf అని, కంపైలర్ డిజైన్ .pdf. ఓకే, కంప్లీట్లీ టెక్స్ట్ బుక్. ఐ థింక్ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ టెక్నికల్ పబ్లికేషన్ అనుకుంటాను. సో జస్ట్ గో త్రూ ఇట్. సో ఇట్ కంటైన్స్ సో మెనీ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. వన్స్ సాల్వ్ దట్ ప్రాబ్లమ్. Okay, try to understand that problem. If you have any doubt, ask me. Okay. So first unit anta conversions compulsory conversions istaru. Compulsory questions are minimization and conversion from NFA to DFA. It's definite question. And complicated ga aithe ivvaramma. So means convert regular expression to NFA ani adigaru anukondi. First construct NFA means with NFA with null transition. There is 4 rules, right? 4 rules unnai kada, how to construct a regular expression to a transition diagram. You can follow the rules and construct the finite transition diagram. Okay, and complicated ga aithe adagaru. So for example, you have to convert NFA with null to NFA అని అడిగారు అనుకోండి, అంత కాంప్లికేటెడ్ గా ఉండదు. ఓన్లీ either 2 or 3 ట్రాన్సిషన్స్ ఆ నల్ ఉంటుంది అంతే, అంత కాంప్లికేటెడ్ గా అయితే ఉండదు. సో కంపల్సరీగా. సో they ask like regular expression to NFA ante just follow that rule and construct NFA with null transition. Okay. And DFA nappudu have to simplify. Without null transitions you can construct for a regular expression NFA construct cheyandi, NFA to DFA construct cheyandi. Okay, without null transitions తీసుకొని first construct NFA. Okay, and then convert it into DFA. So null transitions ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, it is somewhat difficult to construct to DFA. And same thing minimization కూడా 2 or 3 states combined గా ఉంటుంది. సో కాబట్టి can minimize it. Okay, try to understand that conversions from regular expression to again to regular expression. Okay, and phases of the compiler is important in part theory. And different what is that, translators means compilers, interpreter, difference between compiler and interpreter, like that. And coming to the second unit, lex program, role of lexical analyzer, and again how to recognize the to identify the tokens is very important. Again regular expressions vasthayi. Regular expression, how to construct the transition diagram for a particular token. So number, how to represent a number and how to represent the identifier, so that every identifier has a rule. So every token ko rule untundi kada, you can just follow that rule and construct the transition diagram. Okay, and lex program is important. And next coming to the what is that, syntax analyzer, second phase. So second phase vachesariki again top down parsing and bottom up parsing. So top down parsing is LL1 parser is very important. LL1 parser is construction of LL1 parser table is important. And then coming to bottom up parsers, different LR parsers are important. So definite questions for LR parser. Either may ask LR of 0 parser. So how many types of LR parsers are there? Name of LR, different types of LR parsers. 0 enma LR of 0. Okay, LR of 0 parser. Next, SLR of 1 parser, LLR of 1 parser, CLR of 1 parser. What is meant by CLR? Canonical CLR, canonical LR parser. LLR, look ahead LR parser. SLR, simple LR parser. Okay, first 2 are LR of 0 and SLR are depend on LR of 0 items, and remaining 2 are depending on LR of 1 item. Okay, I already explained LR of 0 parser. Once check that example. Okay, next SLR construct చేసారు, ఒక గ్రామర్ ఇచ్చాను. standard grammar are given in the previous class. Construct SLR of one parser table అన్నాను. Construct చేశారా? So at the given grammar, this is the grammar. This is a standard grammar. Okay, for this standard grammar, we have to find out SLR of one parser table. Actually, it is not LR of 0 parser. It is not LR of 0 parser. So definitely you can get a SR conflict, either SR conflict or RR conflict. అది చెక్ చేయమని చెప్పాను మీకు. Which conflict you get in LR of 0 parser table for the given grammar. Okay, we get some conflict using LR of 0 parser table. Means there are two conflicts, that is SR conflict, RR conflict. SR means shift reduce conflict, reduce conflict. Which production? So there may be two final items in one state like this. So there are two final items in one state. So definitely దీనికి reduce actions రాస్తాం. So reduce actions nothing but two reduce actions will in the same table, will in the same row. Okay, we are getting the reduce action means you can reduce with this production. For example, it is in the second production. This is one is third production అనుకున్నాం. So in that row can fill with R2 or R3. You can reduce with either second production or reduce with third production. So whenever you can get two final items in the same state, so definitely you can get RR conflict. Means reduce conflict. Which production తో మనము reduce చేయాలంటే is the confused. And when you get SR conflict, it is very important. SR conflict. So in a given state, one final item is there and one non-final item. Like for example, C dot D. So this is a final item and is a non-final item. So definitely if it is a non-final item, we can do some transitions, right? After dot D is there, we can perform some transition on D. Okay, so whenever can do like this. So for example, this is I2 state. So complete item, there is a final item ఉంది కాబట్టి reduction రాస్తున్నాం. For example, it is reduction with second production R2. And also same thing you can perform shift action. Means transition on D చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి you can also write shift action like shift action with some other. For example, it goes to this I3 state, you write S. So this is nothing but reduce shift conflict. So either shift చేయాలా reduce చేయాలి. It's a conflict, SR conflict. So when you get SR conflict, so whenever the state contain a complete item and a non-final item, so definitely you can get SR conflict. So whenever you can construct LR of 0 parser table for this grammar, definitely you can get some SR conflict. So it is not, this grammar is not a LR of 0 parser. LR of 0 grammar. It is not a LR of 0. This grammar is not LR of 0 grammar. So what you will do? So SLR parser you have to construct. SLR of one parser table you have to construct. Okay, what is SLR of one parser table? How to construct SLR of one parser table? Simple LR. How to construct simple LR parser table? Same thing as LR of 0 parser table. Only reduce actions are different in SLR of one parser table. Only the reduce actions. So reduce actions will be placed in a complete row. In complete row. So reduced actions will be placed in a complete row in LR of 0 parser table, and wherever in SLR of 1 parser table, reduced action will be placed in only follow of that production symbol. This is the main difference only. So SLR means reduced action will be placed only in the follow of the production symbol. That is the main the difference between LR of 0 and SLR of 1. So can you construct this SLR of 1 parser table? Just try to construct your own. So first what is the first step to construct the parser table? Write the augmented production. So write one starting non-terminal, that is E dash tends to E. And what are the remaining productions? So first write apply dot over the symbol. E dash derives. So direct rasadama. Okay. Directly I take augmented production, that is E dash derives dot E. After dot, a non-terminal is there, so we must include E productions also. So E derives E plus C, and E also derives dot C. Okay. After dot E వచ్చింది కాబట్టి again you include E. Already you included E production, and here after dot T is there, so include all T productions. So what are T productions? T derives dot T star F. T derives dot. Okay, and here also after dot T already included. After dot F is there, so include all F productions. What are F productions? Dot within brace T, dot I. So these are terminals, so no need to include. We are included all productions. So this is the first stage. This is INA. First take augmented grammar production, that is E dash derives E. Okay, and write dot over that production dot E. After dot, if there is a non-terminal, include all that non-terminal productions. That's all. This is closure of. This is nothing but closure of E dash derives E. Closure of E dash derives E. So closure nothing but after dot, if there is a non-terminal, include all that non-terminal productions into the into that particular stage. Okay, after dot E is there, you are included all E productions. After dot T is there, you are included all T productions. After dot F is there, you included all F productions. Okay, so this is one state and initial state. This is the starting and initial state. On this state, you can do some transitions. You will do some transitions. What transitions you will perform? After dot, whatever the symbol is there, you can do the transition. So after dot E is there, you can do transition on E. Transition on E, non-terminal. Here, after dot T is there, so you can do transition on T. Next, after dot F is there, you can do transition on F. And next here, open brace is there, so you can do transition on open brace. ID. So after dot ID is there, so you can do transition on ID. Okay. After dot, just see that symbol. Whatever the symbol after dot, you can do transition on that state, on that particular state. These are the transitions considered on this initial. Okay. So this transitions just you are moving dot from before the symbol to after the symbol. Just to change the dot to before the symbol to after the symbol. Okay. So E means what are the transitions you get here? What are the productions? E dash derives E dash. Just you are moving this dot from here to here. Okay, that is you are getting E dash tends to E dot. So ikkada kuda dot tarvata E undi kabatti you can also consider that production here. E derives E dot plus. Right? Okay. So after dot, if we are performing E transitions, right? So just to see which production after dot E undo, just check cheyandi. So only these productions contain after dot E is there. So we are doing that. We are moving the dot from before to after. So we are getting E dot here, and here E derives E dot plus C. So this is one state, and also check, this is nothing but go to function. This is nothing but, these transitions is nothing but go to function. And then you can perform closure also after writing the dot move chesin tarvata, and again after that if there is any non-terminal, include that non-terminal productions also into that state. But here after that there is no symbol, and for this one after that there is no non-terminal, this is terminal, so no need to find out any closure. That is a one step. I1. Next to transition T. So what are the productions you get here? E derives T dot, T derives T dot star. Okay, so these two productions after dot T is there, so just you are moving dot here, so T dot you are getting here, and for this production T derives T dot star. And check after writing, after moving the dot, and check after that if there is any non-terminal. Here after that there is no non-terminal, after that there is no non-terminal. So this is the one stage. I. Okay, and next F. T derives, so this production only contains after dot F. So T derives F. That's after dot there is no non-terminal, so need to write anything. Next, F derives open brace dot. So we are moving dot from here to here. So we are getting this production F derives open brace dot E closed brace. Here after dot you are getting non-terminal. So include all that non-terminal production again here. E derives dot E plus T. And ikkada closure రాసేటప్పుడు we have to must write beginning each production beginning with dot. Okay, E derives E plus T and E derives dot. Again you are getting non-terminal T. So I can also include the T production. T derives dot T star F, T derives dot F. Again F you are getting, so F derives dot within brace E, F derives dot ID. So this is the complete productions in this stage. Okay, we are getting total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 states. 7 productions are in the I2, I3, I4 stage. And next to transition ID. So just see after that ID contain which production it contains. So F derives ID. So we can write F derives ID dot. And after that there is no symbol, so need to include anything. Okay, this is I5 stage. First write the augmented grammar closure function and then do transition. And again you can start from here and again do, is there any transitions possible, do the transition. So next again you can start from I1. Okay, again you can do any transitions till you can perform on this I1 or not. So it is already completed item, final item, and next see the next production. So here plus after that plus is there, so can do transition on plus. Transition on plus. So this is nothing but E derives E plus dot T. Again T occurs. After dot a non-terminal will occur. So write all T productions. T star F, T derives dot F. Okay, and again F is there. F derives within brace E dot within brace E, F derives dot I. This is I6. So only one transition is possible, right? So return that one, completed. So on this state all transitions are completed. Next move to the next stage, and this is already complete final item. And next what transition will do on this production? Star. Okay, that becomes T derives T star dot F. After that again you are getting a non-terminals, write all non-terminals production, E production, sorry, F production, like F derives within brace C, F derives ID, right? And next the I3, and only one transition will occur on this stage. Next I3 is the final stage, no need to do any transition. And next I4, coming to I4, what transition will do? On E, so after dot E is there, on E, next on open brace, on T, just see after dot A symbols ఉన్నాయి చెక్ చేయండి. After dot E ఉంది కాబట్టి can do E transition, transition on E. Next after dot T ఉంది కాబట్టి can do T transition on T. Next open brace ఉంది and on F కూడా ఉంది కదా, on F is there, on ID is also there, and whenever can do transition on ID you are getting F derives ID dot, right? ID dot అంటే already exists, so directly నేను ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చేస్తున్నా. On ID it goes to fifth stage I5. So total 5 transition will do on this stage, on E, on T, on F, on open brace, on ID. On ID it goes to I5 stage. Okay, first do on E. So what are the production will come on transition on E? F derives open brace E dot close brace. So only one stage, right? Sorry, E derives E dot plus C. So for this two production, after dot E ఉంది కాబట్టి you write these two productions here. Open brace E dot close brace and E derives E dot plus C. Next on T చేసినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది చెప్పండి? E derives T dot, okay, and T derives T dot star F. That state already exists, right? That state is already exists. This one I2 state. So directly write here. It goes to, so man ikkada rasavanti some confusion will occur, so I written like this one. Then also write like this one. I2, it goes to the state I2. Is it clear? Next on F, I3 state. So I3 ikkade undi kada, so just on F I written here. So on F it goes to I3. On F it goes to I3. Next on open brace, self loop. So on open brace ante malli emosthundi, that is a dot, after dot open brace is there, so can write it as open brace dot E close brace F derives open brace dot E close brace. E means you can add all E productions, all T production, all F productions, is nothing but you are getting the same state, so can give it as self loop. On close brace, sorry, on open brace it goes to the same. Next class అయిపోయింది 10 minutes. Okay, on close brace means on self, on open brace it goes to the self. Okay, completed, right? All transitions are completed on this state also. Next go to I5 state. It is a complete open brace. So where the open brace in this production? After that open brace is here, right? So can apply like this, right? Open brace E close brace. Okay, alage rastav. So rasin tarvata ikkada enti after dot E is there, so you can include all E production. So write E derives dot E plus T and E derives dot T. Again after dot T is there, again included T star F and T there is dot. After that again F is there, include all F productions also. Right. So this is nothing but all these productions are there here. Okay, like that you are giving self. If already exists that statement, you can give to the transfer on that state only. Otherwise, you can give different state number. I5 is completed, right? Next, coming to I6. I6, this is I7 and this is I8. Is there any new state? Up to I8. Next, I6 में the transition same as చెప్పండి. After that, T transition is there. F, open brace, I. Okay, again open brace ఉన్నప్పుడు it goes to the state I4. This is goes to I4 state. And ID I5. Okay, same states వస్తాయి. And next on F, yeah, I3. It goes to I3 state. Next on T, E derives E plus T dot, T derives T dot star. Already exists. Already in the state. Complete productions will be in one state. So these two are different productions. So considered as one state. I9. It is a new state. New productions వచ్చాయంటే definitely considered as a new state. Otherwise, you can give to the existing state. So completed, right? All transitions are completed on I6. Next, coming to I7. I7. What are the transitions are possible on this I7? On F. After that, F is there. F. Next, on open brace. On I. On F means T derives T star F, right? Complete item. Next, again open brace means you are getting the same production, that is I4. And ID I5. And I7 completed all transitions. Next, coming to I8. I8, so what are the transitions are possible? And I8, close brace, plus. Yeah, close brace ఉన్నప్పుడు F derives within brace C dot. So it is a complete item and it is a new state. And this is I11. Yeah, it is I10 కదా. This is I10, I11. Next, on plus. On plus ఉన్నప్పుడు E derives E plus dot T and write all T productions are F productions. So already exists, right? E derives E plus dot is plus మీద చేస్తాం. అప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది? E derives E plus dot T and written all T production and F production. So it goes to the state I6. On plus I8 on plus, it goes to the state I6. So is there any new state? Yeah, I8 is completed. Next, coming to I9. On star. Yeah, on star already exists. T derives T star F dot F. So written all F productions is nothing but I7. It goes to the state I7. If there is a possibility to give that state directly ఇవ్వచ్చు. మీరు ఏదైనా కన్ఫ్యూజన్ అవుతారంటే you can write like this. Okay. Completed, right? I9 is complete. Next, coming to I10 is already final item. Next, coming to I11, it is also completed. The state data flow diagram is complete. Whenever can get the final items means there is no transitions are possible, means you can stop the process and find out the parser table from this diagram. Okay, and it is a final state. Why? Because augmented grammar, augmented production, final item is there in the I1 state. So can say that whenever can reach to I1 state means the given input thing is accepted. Accepted means syntactically the given input thing is correct. Otherwise it is wrong. Okay. So this is a diagram. From this diagram, construct the parser table. So I just remove this one. Ikkada just only I0. I remove only I0. So in table, what are the considerations here? Action and go to. It contains action and go to. And row wise you can write the what is the state numbers. Just write state numbers row wise. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Only 11 state. From 0 to 11 state, right? That 11 state. And in go to column, write all non-terminals. What are the non-terminals in grammar? E, non-terminals. E, T, F. Only these are 3 non-terminals used in our grammar. Okay. And action place we have to write terminals. All terminals used in your grammar. ID plus star, open brace, close brace, dollar. Okay, this is nothing but state numbers, written only numbers from 0 to 11. Okay, and I0 state. So first consider I0 state. On that state, what are the transitions you will done? That will be had to write, you can fill in this row. Okay, I0, whenever you can see non-terminals, whenever you can do transition non-terminals, you can just write you cannot perform any shift and reduce action. Whenever you can transition non-terminals means we are not performing any shift and reduce action. Okay, so whenever you can see non-terminal, just change the state. Okay, on E, I0 on it goes to the state I1. Means you can just write on 0, I0, 0 is nothing but I0 state. Means 0 state meeda E apply chesinappudu it goes to which state? I1 state means you can write just the number, state number 1. 0 on E it goes to the state 1. Okay, on T, whenever you can see non-terminals, you can just write the state numbers. Okay, just you can place the state numbers. On seeing T, and we are doing the transition on T means it goes to the state I2. So you can just write 2 here. Okay, on F, 3, just write 3. 1, 2, 3. Next, whenever you can see terminals, you can perform shift action. Shift action. So, A terminals in the transition just now, open brace and ID మీద. So, open brace here and ID. So, ikkada S better. Okay. And whenever you can see the open brace, you are performing shift action, it goes to the state I4, right? So, you can also mention the state here 4. Shift just now and also can change the state to 4. 0 to 4. And you can also mention that state here, S4. Shift, you can shift the symbol from input string to stack and you are changing the state to 4, 0 to 4. And next, whenever see ID, it goes to the state I5, so write S5. Shift and can change the state to 5. Okay. Next completed. 0 state is completed. And next coming to coming to I1 state, first state. Okay, so here it contains augmented production complete item. So augmented production complete item ఏ state లో అయితే ఉంటుందో you can write that state number on dollar. So one state లో ఉంది complete item. So ఆ one state లో under dollar write access. Under dollar write access. It's clear. And also you are doing some transitions, right? You are doing some transitions. So I1 on plus, it goes to state I6. Means you can 1 on plus, write shift action and it changes the state to 6, S6. Next, I1 is also completed. Next, I2. I2 contains complete item. So first do shift action. So shift action and you can do transition on star. So I2 on star, shift action, it goes to the state 7, S7. Okay, and if the state contain a final item, you can perform reduce action. Okay, transitions అయితే shift action and a state contain a final item means you can perform reduce action. And reduce action ఎలా రాస్తున్నాం? So whenever you consider LR of 0 parts, reduce action ఎలా చేస్తున్నాం? Whenever a final item is there in the state, all rows filled with the reduce action. అన్నిట్లో reduce అవుతుంది, ఇక్కడ కూడా reduce వచ్చేస్తుంది, reduce action తో fill చేస్తాం. So here you can get shift reduce conflict. Whenever can construct LR of 0 parser table. So whenever a final item is there in the state, you can fill reduce action in complete row in that state. The second state lo manaki complete item vachindi kabatti complete row ante only action part lone are filling shift and reduce action. Okay, only in action part. So ee complete row lo reduce actions vachestayi. So whenever I reduce actions in complete row, here in this entry you are getting SR conflict. Shift reduce conflict will occur. So this grammar is not a LR of 0 parser. It is not a LR of 0 grammar. So you are constructing for this grammar, actually you are constructing SLR of 1 parser table. Okay, so SLR of 1 parser table is nothing but whenever a complete item or a final item is there in a state, okay, only follow of that production symbols lo matrame you can write the reduce action. Okay, what is the follow of E? So it is a complete item, right? So E complete item. What is follow of E? Actually the follow of E is here plus close brace dollar. These are the follow of E for this grammar. Follow of E is nothing but plus close brace dollar. So in that symbols only can perform reduce action. Okay, so this is I2 state. On I2, this is S7, right? So plus, there is plus, here you can get reduce action, and close brace, here you can get reduce action, and 2 on dollar, here you get reduce action. Only in that rows only you can get, only follow of the symbols contain the reduce action. Is it clear? So whenever a state contain a final item, so left side ఏదైతే symbol ఉంటుందో that symbol follow. Symbols are follow of is nothing but plus close brace dollar. In that symbols only can perform reduce action. And reduce with which production? You can give production numbers. First production is E derivative C plus T, right? That is 1. Yeah, E derivative C and second production. So can reduce with second production, right? R2. సో మనం ఏ నెంబర్ ఇచ్చుకుంటే ఆ నెంబర్ ఇవ్వాలి అంతే. దట్ ఈస్ ఇన్ యువర్ ఆర్డర్. మీరు ఏ ఆర్డర్లో మీరు ప్రొడక్షన్ నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చుకుంటారో కెన్ గివ్ దట్ ప్రొడక్షన్ నెంబర్ హియర్. ఓకే, this actually E derives C is the second production. E derives E plus C is the first production. E derives C is the second production. So can reduce with the second production. So write is that R2. Is it clear? Is it clear? You can write reduce action only in the follow of the left symbol. So it is a final item. So for this final item, reduce action will be performed. Reduce action will be performed only the follow of E. So follow symbols are only plus close brace dollar. So in plus close brace dollar lone you written reduce action. Reduce with second production. Accept. So in I1 state you are getting the augmented production, right? This is augmented production. E dash derives E. This is augmented production. And whenever you can get a complete augmented production and which state contain this complete item, so you can fill it there. So actually I1 contain that complete item. So in I1 in place of dollar, one on dollar, write action. కంపల్సరీగా I1 స్టేట్ లోనే డెఫినెట్ గా ఆగ్మెంటెడ్ ఫైనల్ ఐటమ్ వస్తుంది. వెన్ ఎవర్ కెన్ గెట్ దట్ ఫైనల్ ఐటమ్ యూ కెన్ రైట్ $100 యాక్టివ్. సో దట్ ఈస్ I2 is completed, right? I2 is completed. Next coming to I3. I3 contain, there is no transients on this I3, and this I3 contain final item. This is a final item. So final item ఉన్నప్పుడు we can perform reduce action. So reduce actions ఎక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేయాలి? Follow of T. Only can place in follow of T. So follow of T ఏంటి? I think follow of T is star plus close brace dollar. Star plus close brace dollar. Just check it. Follow of T ఇలా పెట్టుకొని కంప్లీట్ గ్రామర్ తీసుకొని మీన్ ఆల్ ప్రొడక్షన్స్ తీసుకొని చెక్ ఇట్. టీ తర్వాత స్టార్ వస్తుంది అండ్ టీ తర్వాత ఏం లేదు కాబట్టి కన్సిడర్ as follow of E. Follow of E ఆల్రెడీ కంటైన్ ఆల్ దిస్ సింబల్స్. సో ఎక్స్ట్రాగా స్టార్ ఒకటి వస్తుంది. స్టార్ ప్లస్ క్లోజ్ ప్లస్ డాలర్ ఆర్ ద follow of E. సో చెప్పండి ఇక్కడ R3 థర్డ్ ప్రొడక్షన్ స్టార్ plus close brace dollar. So in which production? Fourth production, R4, right? R4. Next, fourth stage. Is there any complete final item? I4 there is no final item. Production number. For reduction consider production number. For shift consider state number.
And second production and either dot in the third production.
What ma? Either
dot E plus C and second production. Either dot C.
అలా కాదు, ఫస్ట్ గ్రామర్ తీసుకున్నప్పుడే వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఆర్డర్? దాంట్లో ఆర్డర్ కాదు మా, దాంట్లో ఒక పర్టికులర్ స్టేట్ లో ఆర్డర్ కాదు అది. సో ఫస్ట్ మనం ఈ ఆర్డర్ కాదు, ఇది కన్సిడర్ చెయ్యం. ఇది ఓన్లీ 1 2 3 4 5 ఓన్లీ దట్ ఆర్డర్. ఎందుకు వస్తుందమ్మా నవ్వు మీకు? ఎందుకు వస్తుంది? నేను ఏమన్నా ఇక్కడ ఏమన్నా చేస్తున్నానా? నెక్స్ట్ I4 state. So I4 state doesn't contain any final items, only transients are there. Just see the transitions and find out non-terminals and terminals. Non-terminals ante go to part lo vastundi, you can write only the state numbers, and the terminals cheste you can perform shift actions, that will be in the action phase. So on E on T, right? On E T F మీద కూడా ఉంది. Okay, these are the non-terminal. The transitions on this state are on E is there, on T is there, on F is also there. So on E it goes to state 8. 4, right? On 4, it's on E it goes to state 8. Next on 4, on T to I2, so it writes 2. On F 3. Okay, and terminals open brace, yes, open brace. So yes, and which state it goes? Same state. So yes, 4. On ID, so reduce to on it goes shift action and it changes to state S1. Next, fifth state, and it is a final item, so can write reduction operations, reduction actions on reduction actions in follow of F. Reduction actions have to place on follow of F. So follow of F is nothing but follow of T only. So all the symbols that is also in follow of F. So follow of T and follow of F contain all these symbols. Okay. On 5, right? So reduction in plus, star, closed brace, dollar. And this which production? 5 or 6. That is your consideration production number 6 last అనుకుంటా. That is మీ ప్రొడక్షన్ నెంబర్స్ ఏవైతే మీరు కన్సిడర్ చేస్తారో అవి రాసుకోండి. అది కంప్లీట్ గా ఇలాగే రాయాలని కాదు. బేస్డ్ ఆన్ యువర్ అసైనింగ్ నంబర్స్ టు ద ప్రొడక్షన్. Right, next. 6th state, where is 6th state? Yeah, is there. I6. So, what are the transients on TF? First is the non-terminal TF. So, it goes to state 9, 3. 9, 3. And next, open brace and ID. Open brace and ID. Here S4, S5. Next, I7. And you are doing on F, 7 on F, 10. Same kada, S4, S5 here, S4 here. Next, I8. Where is I8? It doesn't contain final items. Open brace and plus. Closed brace and plus. Closed brace is S11 on plus. S6. Next, 9. I9. First star మీద చేయండి. So it goes to I7 means S7, right? S7. 9 on star is S7. Okay, and it also contains final item. This state contains final item. So find out follow of E. Follow of E lo మాత్రమే have to write reduce action. So follow of E is nothing but plus closed brace dollar plus, where is plus? Plus closed brace dollar. And which production to మనం deduct చేస్తున్నాం? First production. Deduct with first production, write R1. Write R1. Next, I10. Coming to this state is the final item and write reduction operation and follow of T symbol. Follow of T is star plus closed brace dollar. Star plus closed brace dollar. And with which production? Fourth or third production. Yeah, third production. Next, I11 It is also a final item. And follow of F lo had to write reduction operation. Follow of F is all this one only. And which production? Fifth one, right? Fifth one. Right, R5. This is SLR of 1 partial table. So why you written SLR of 0 means, so in SLR of 0, written complete row with reduction without seeing any locate symbol. Without seeing the symbol, we are performing reduction. But in SLR of 1, why written 1 means by seeing one locate symbol, you consider, we consider the follow of symbol. Whenever you can see one symbol, follow of that symbol, and you can perform reduction operation. That's why written here SLR of 1 and written LR of 0. SLR of 1 means simple LR. This is nothing but simple LR, and this is just LR of 0. Definitely, I will check your notes. Already చెప్పాను మీకు సెకండ్ అసైన్మెంట్ ఐ కన్సిడర్ ఓన్లీ ఆన్ యువర్ నోట్బుక్. మీరు రాసే దాన్ని బట్టే ఉంటుంది. రైట్ ఆల్ ద ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్, వాట్ ఐ రిటర్న్ అండ్ వాట్ ఐ గివెన్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్, రైట్ ఆల్ ద. ఓకే, అండ్ బై యూజింగ్ దిస్ టేబుల్ and try to find out okay, using this table and find out this particular input thing is accepted or not. So initially you take stack content is $0. 0 is nothing but starting state. Okay, and this is your input string followed by a dollar symbol. And apply like 0 on ID. What happens on 0 on ID means F5. F5 and ఏంటి? Shift action means ID shift చేయాలి. And you can change the state to 5. S5 is the right, and you are changing to state 5. Shift that symbol and insert state number. Okay, and here remaining string. Right. And next is the top of the symbol 5 on plus. Just see the entry 5 on plus. R6. R6 means reduce action with 6th production. What is the 6th production? F error side. And perform reduce action. This here you are shifting. You are performing. You can write your action here. First shift చేశారు. Next reduce. 0. So ID can be replaced with F. ID is reduced to F. Okay, you are getting a handle. This is nothing but you are getting a handle on the top of the stack. That handle is replaced by the left side symbol. ID is replaced by F. Okay, in place of ID written F. So can also change the state, right? 0 F ఒకటి. So ID 5 place లో F వచ్చేస్తుంది. And next you have to get a state here. So 0 on F apply చేయండి. 0 on F. 3. So write that state number here. So sometimes చాలా మంది చేసే మిస్టేక్ ఏంటంటే ఇక్కడ స్టేట్ నెంబర్ కన్సిడర్ చేయరు. స్టేట్ నెంబర్స్ కంపల్సరీగా రాయాలి. దెన్ ఓన్లీ యూ కెన్ గెట్ ద కరెక్ట్ వన్. సో ఆఫ్టర్ రిడక్షన్ వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ ఏ ఫైనల్ నాన్ టర్మినల్స్ రాసిన తర్వాత రైట్ ఏ స్టేట్. ఆ స్టేట్ ఎలా రాస్తున్నామంటే ఆల్రెడీ ప్రీవియస్ స్టేట్ ఉంటుంది. ఆన్ 0 కెన్ అప్లై F. 0 on F is 3. You can write that state number. Okay, next 3 on plus. Again reduction. Okay, R4. Reduce R4 production entity T derives F, right? Dot F. You consider only ikkada LR of 0 productions consider only the grammar. The grammar is T derives F. You consider only you can మనం ఆ స్టేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ డ్రా చేసేటప్పుడు మాత్రమే డాట్స్ కన్సిడర్ చేస్తాం. తర్వాత నో నీడ్ టు కన్సిడర్ డాట్స్. ఓన్లీ ఫర్ కన్స్ట్రక్టింగ్ ద స్టేట్ డయాగ్రామ్ యూ కన్సిడర్ ద డాట్. ఓకే, T derives F. So means in place of F, write T. And 0 on T, it goes to the state 2. Again 2 on plus. 2 on plus R2. Reduce E derives C, right? The second production R2 means reduce with second production. The second production is E derives C. Again 0 E. 0 on E is 1. 1 on plus. 1 on plus is S6. Means shift action and change the state to plus, 6. 0 E 1 plus 6. Shift action, right? Shift, sorry, ikkada shift chestunnam and we have to find here. 6 on ID. Next 6 on ID. Shift to 5. ID shift chestam. Can shift ID and change the state to 5. 6 on ID. Okay. Next star ID. Dull. Next 5 on star. Reduction. Reduce with 6th production. F derives ID. Six on F. 6 on F3. And shift and reduction operation చేసినప్పుడు no need to move this one. So sometimes reduction and shift కూడా చేసేస్తుంటారు. No need to do that one. So you can perform reduction. Next 3 on star. F is replaced by T. So we can reduce with T derives F. T derives F. Start. 6 on T. 9. 9 on star. 9 under star. S7 means you can shift and changes to 7th state. Star 7. When you see this is like a green and